Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the blade on your DWS713 DeWalt miter saw. First things first is you're going to make sure the saw is unplugged. That way you don't lose any fingers, because generally most people like their fingers. There is a little spot right here on the back of your saw. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get it on camera here for you. There's a little clip right there that has this tool. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this little tool that you have, you're going to open this up, and there is a little bolt right here. You're going to loosen this bolt. You can see it right here. Actually, let me bring the camera in. So anyways, we got this bolt that's right here. Okay, we're gonna loosen that up. You don't need to take the bolt out, just loosen it up. And that's gonna let you do, you wanna be able to slide this part up. See, I'm still catching? So I need to go a little farther out. So what I've done is I backed this bolt out far enough that this part can move past it. So you can see, we made it so that this part right here can clear past that little bolt now. That's what you're looking to do. With that up and out of the way, what we're able to do is we can actually put this into our blade. This is the part that's the blade wrench right here. We can put that in. And we have a little button on this side right here. I'll show you. This button right here, when you have it held down, it will actually keep the blade from spinning. See how now it won't move, but now it does move. So what happened is you'll try and push the button down, it won't go down. Keep moving it until it finds a groove, and now you've locked the blade. My saw's not mounted on anything, so it's a little loose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm holding that button that I showed you. I'm gonna pull the blade down like this. And now instead of lefty-loosey to loosen it, lefty is actually lefty-tighty here, and it's righty-loosey in this case. You might think I'm crazy, but watch. We're gonna go to the right, okay? And that will, there it is, yeah. We've got it now loosening up. So we can bring this back up a little bit. We're gonna pull out this nut right here. Maybe, if it will come. Just keep spinning it until you can't feel your fingers anymore, I guess. Sheesh, that's a long bolt. So we're gonna pull this bolt out, and then you've got this little kind of nut that sits on here, like this. What's it called? Oh, even has directions on it. See, I'm not crazy. It's telling you how to tighten it and loosen it. Pay attention to that, okay? And now, all we're gonna do, slide that blade out like this. Now, take note of the orientation of the teeth. The aggressive bite or the wave of the blade is coming towards me, and it's gonna rotate like this, right? That's how you need to orient your new blade. I really like these Diablo blades. This is an 80 tooth ultra finish. Love this thing. If you haven't experienced one of these, I totally recommend experiencing one. All we're gonna do, slide it in place, put it on this little shaft right there, and we just go reverse of what we had. So we're gonna put that piece back on, and now we're gonna take this, and we're gonna go to the left, everybody, to tighten it up. Now I've got that song stuck in my head. I will not sing it for you. I think you don't know how much you should appreciate that. So anyways, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna push down on our button. Again, the blade's pretty loose, so it might not actually be locked yet. And we are going to tighten it up by going lefty-loosey. Don't kill this thing. It doesn't need to be ultra like snug. Just get it so it's good and firm on there, and then it's good to go. So now we just have to put this one last little bolt back in place for the blade guard. So just move that, and then just tighten up that one little black bolt. Maybe I should tell you guys like a dad joke or something here, but I just feel like you saw it coming. Anyways, that's tight now. See how the blade guard comes back down how it's supposed to, nice and easy. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug the saw back in, and then we're gonna turn it on and make sure everything's going the way it's supposed to. What you're looking to see, it's plugged in right now, so I'm not gonna touch the blade because I like all 5 of these to stay on this hand. So I like to turn on the blade, and then what I'm looking for is any wobble side to side or any direction with this blade. If there is, that means you did something wrong and you need to go back and fix it. So here we go. We're gonna fire it up. There's no wobble. We've done it. We've effectively changed our blade. Stay safe out there, everybody. Keep all of your fingers on your hands at all times, unless you don't want to. That's a choice you can make. Have a good one. Bye.